Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today we are going to discuss an important topic in the digital world: fake news may base an independent or verify information before believing or sharing it. Our objective is to analyze to recent news stories and identify whether the information is credible or misleading.
That is why nowadays social media allows information to spread very quickly, but not everything we see online is true. For this reason, we need to check the source, compare the information with reliable media, look for evidence, and verify the date and context for images or videos.
Let's start with this first example. What happened with the super publications from Al Times?
A fake image circulated on social media showing what appeared to be front page of El Tiempo. The image claimed that President Gustavo Petro had declared Iván Cepeda president and had ordered the armed force to recognize him. However, Colombia Check verified that this publication was manipulated. The newspaper had not published that headline, and the image used an authentic news design but changed the original content. Therefore, the history was classified as false.
What verifying techniques can we use in cases like this?
First, we should check the original website of the media outlet. Second, we should compare the information with other reliable sources. Third, we should examine the date, headline, images, and design. Finally, we should search for fact-checking organizations such as Colombia Check. These steps help us determine whether a publication is authentic or manipulated.
And what about the second example?
The second case involved a video that imitated Noticias Caracol and appeared to present a supposed investigation involving journalist Daniel Coronel and former President Juan Manuel Santos. The media outlet denied publishing the report, and the verification found signs that artificial intelligence had been used to imitate the voices and image of the news program. This demonstrated how technology can make false information look very convincing.
So does my bad also influence the way we understand news?
Yes, media bias can appear when information is presented from a particular political, social, or ideological perspective. Bias doesn't always mean that the information is completely false, but it can influence which facts are emphasized, omitted, or interpreted. Therefore, it is important to consult different sources and distinguish between facts, opinions, and interpretations.
To conclude, it is important to critically evaluate information.
It is important because false information can influence our opinions, decisions, and even our behavior toward other people. Before sharing a post, we should stop and ask, who published it? Is there evidence? Is the source reliable? Can I confirm it somewhere else? In the digital world, being informed also means being responsible.
Excellent. Thank you for joining us. Remember, before you verify or share information, verify it credible. Tiring is one best again. Thank you for listening.